Challenge: becoming an empowered woman. This time, I want you to focus on this empowerment exercise. Take note of how many of these attitudes you already possess and which ones you still need to develop. In addition to reinforcing it daily with this audio, try to implement these qualities until this behavior becomes second nature to you. No matter how long it takes, I assure you it's absolutely worth it. I'm strengthening you to take responsibility for your mistakes without blaming, punishing, judging, or reproaching yourself. We're erasing the cumulative effect of having made mistakes and fallen into these negative energies. We're going to make you strong enough to free yourself from the past, let go of pain, and neutralize negative memories. We're eliminating the energy of exaggeration, distortion, and magnification of pain, suffering, and loss. Empowering you to transform pain and suffering into strength, certainty, conviction, motivation, and reasons to be happy. Be strong enough to let go, erase, release, become independent, forgive, protect, and unconditionally forget all defeatist, victim-minded, fearful, limiting, and guilt-inducing thoughts. Be strong enough to choose and think with power, desire, enthusiasm, confidence, courage, focus, direction, and attention. Be strong enough to take risks, strong enough to lose everything, and strong enough to win everything. Be strong enough to neither lose nor gain anything. Be strong enough to risk and achieve, risk and not achieve, risk and lose, as well as risk and not lose. Be strong enough for all options, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Be strong enough to know yourself through your emotions, to look at them, face them, feel them, and let them go. Be strong enough to manage your emotions, strong enough to learn how to create empowering emotions. Let's separate debilitating emotions, sensations, and reactions from one another, and distinguish them from empowering emotions, sensations, and reactions in all possible combinations. We eliminate weaknesses and embrace infinite possibilities, 100% of the time, with endless potential. Be strong enough not to repress, reject, or resist painful emotions. Be strong enough to acknowledge, accept, and then let go of these emotions. Be strong enough to believe in yourself and feel safe in your own skin. Be strong enough to make decisions with full responsibility for what you want and don't want. Be strong enough to take action despite your fears. Be strong enough to research, prepare, and take firm steps forward, even when you're afraid. Be strong enough to eliminate the insecurity that comes from believing you're not enough, that you're lacking, that you don't know enough, that you can't do enough, that you're not capable enough. Be strong enough to take one step at a time. Be strong enough to say no to anything that hurts, demeans, humiliates, or puts you at risk or in danger. Be strong enough to recognize all the red flags. We enhance your ability to observe, pay attention, and focus. We eliminate emotional, financial, and spiritual voids that lead you to make hasty decisions and cling to harmful situations. Be strong enough to fill your own voids with self-recognition, self-gratitude, self-acceptance, and self-care. Be strong enough to take responsibility for your own life. Be strong enough to pursue your goals, objectives, and desires. We remove distractions that pull you away from your path and waste your time on things you don't want. Be strong enough to direct your attention and focus towards what you want, desire, and need. Be strong enough to unconditionally let go, erase, release, become independent from, forgive, protect yourself from, and forget what you don't want, desire, or need. We strengthen your core to eliminate limiting beliefs and negative influences. that for you it's not possible to have abundance, beauty, fulfillment, wholeness, health, and love. Strong enough to find 1,000 ways to achieve each component of this hexagon. Strong enough to take responsibility for your health. Let's erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that you get sick due to bad luck, karma, chance, or because it was your turn. Strong enough to choose the highest quality foods. Strong enough to distance yourself from everything that harms you, makes you gain weight, hurts you, and makes you sick. Strong enough to commit to learning ways to improve your nutrition. Strong enough to take responsibility for your personal appearance. Strong enough to speak, dress, think, act, walk, eat, sleep, and even dance like an empowered woman. Strong enough to radiate power, strength, confidence, enthusiasm, and love to others and to yourself. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate unconscious fears and limitations that you unknowingly transmit to others, which weaken your relationships. Be strong enough to take responsibility for your personal care, grooming, hygiene, and public image. Be strong enough to take responsibility for your daily experiences. Be strong enough to find multiple ways to improve them. Be strong enough to accept yourself unconditionally, with what you have and what you lack, with what you could and couldn't do, with your successes and failures. Be strong enough to let go, erase, liberate, become independent, forgive, protect yourself from, and unconditionally forget criticisms, judgments, accusations, finger-pointing, slander, and gossip. Be strong in the face of intrigues and lies that come from others. Be strong so that your voice is the only one your mind obeys. Be strong so that your self-acceptance is the only thing that matters to you. Be strong enough to understand that other people behave this way because they have a different level of awareness. Be strong to build yourself up, strengthen yourself, and empower yourself every time someone acts against you. Be strong enough to be authentic without needing to copy, imitate, or try to be like someone else. Feel absolutely sufficient to be happy and worthy of all good things. Be absolutely strong in valuing yourself more than anything else in the world. Be strong in prioritizing your well-being, safety, self-care, and the care of those you love above all else. Be strong in distinguishing between self-love and egotism. Strengthen your physical intelligence to act from a place of power over yourself, your emotions, your thoughts, and your feelings. Strengthen your mental intelligence so that you neither consider yourself superior nor inferior to others. Strengthen your spiritual intelligence to understand that the real work is in being the master of your own mind, thoughts, and emotions, not someone else's. We're going to strengthen our internal and external dynamics, as well as our internal and external boundaries and key points. We'll be operating at 100% with infinite potential, all the time within our finite time frame. We're going to eliminate everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks you from empowering yourself and taking control of your mindset, emotions, feelings, and life. We're going to erase all weaknesses, bringing them down to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time within our finite time frame. Let's reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how are you feeling? The same or different?